In order to measure properly the benefits brought by cooks, let us first recall how a large number of production installations were built up. In fact, let us describe the operation of a factory before cooks. The first stake was to produce, and it was done with a significant proportion of manual operations. Next came the objective of producing more, implying capacity challenges, which generally led to a first automation and inventory development. Then, with the growth of the installation and the expansion of the factory, automation has increased. To be able to answer requests while controlling costs, the new stakes have been flexibility and productivity. But now things have become a little too complicated for operators, so SCADA software tools appear, providing an overall view of the installation and controlling alarms. And consumers' requirements continue to increase, together with increasing stakes of quality and traceability. One must produce better and trace. Therefore, complementary software solutions are developed. Excel sheets reporting tools, specific developments, more and more numerous, based upon the supervision tool or independence. So, what is the impact on you, Operation Manager? Indeed, you have a powerful production tool, but you don't make the most of it. You must deal with several types of PLCs, which are sometimes associated with different supervisors. SCADA are mainly dedicated to automation, and manual operations are conducted and tracked differently. Many software pieces coexist without actually talking to each other. Too many specific developments give an impression of black box and loss of control. In fact, the solution described is lacking homogeneity and cannot be easily maintained or upgraded. Now imagine your plant with cooks. It enables you to produce better and provides flexibility and traceability. The stakes are the same as before, they have not changed, but now all is done through an integrated and modular solution. Cooks is suitable for all controllers, but also for manual control modes. It is commercial software, customizable and regularly updated. It is a scalable solution open to any integrator, and its deployment is fast. In conclusion, the solution is now coherent and scalable. How can the Cooks solution bring all that? The answer is modeling. Essentially, in the MES SCADA Cooks software application, we use one single model for all similar pieces of equipment in a facility. Let us take, for example, the model of this. It has multiple facets: graphical parts, operations like heating, mixing, but also the traceability of those operations, taking into account material transfers from one piece of equipment to another, and performance measurements such as, for example, OEE, test and quality measurements. Even though an application can be extended by means of programming, you actually only need to configure those facets. This task is done once and for all, even if you have dozens of pieces of equipment of the same type. When compared to other software solutions, Cooks provides significant savings in project implementation time. Should you need to have several plants equipped, all the know-how integrated into the models can be directly reused. The Internet architecture will enable you to use the solution from any side of the company. Thank you for your attention, and please do not hesitate to contact us.